Hey, Double Dipper.
Hey, Double Dippers. Hello there. Welcome to Little Disney Noah Vlog, folks. I'm Noah, and I'm one heck of a vlogger if I do say so myself. But let's not talk about me. Let's talk about why we're here. We're here at Blizzard Beach for Mackenzie's first time. This is not Volcano Bay. It's not Typhoon Lagoon either.
Typhoon Lagoon.
Blizzard Beach. Summit Plummet. It's Mackenzie's first time.
Wet and wild.
How do you like it so far, Mackenzie?
We've barely been here.
It looks cold.
Well, it's like it's themed. It's supposed to look cold. Well, it's not.
Okay.
Animal Kingdom.
This is not. Okay, we're gonna go do mini golf now. We got the mini donuts from Joffrey's. Very good. They are so good. They're so soft, so sugary. They're the best. Bye, Blizzard Beach. Hello, Winter Summerland. One thing about Mackenzie, she sees a vehicle, she's gonna get in it. Oh, there's like glare.
From here and set self-timer.
Oh, let's see. Is that good? There's a place phone here thing. What if I do it sideways like I'm supposed to do? Oh, it's definitely not working that way. Cool. I already made a hole in one. Here goes GJ. GJ didn't get a hole in one. GJ didn't get a hole in one. So this is like a little turkey thing. Cool.
Oh, nice.
Wow, okay. Here goes Mackenzie. Okay.
I'll go.
There's fishies. What? What? Ah! What in the Moana Journey of Water? We're in the surfboard area.
Oh.
Well, okay.
Go. 2.
That would have been embarrassing.
Well,
GJ, now you need to get your ears out of your system.
Which clam is GJ gonna get into? Good for him. He missed.
Santa is snoring.
Uh-huh.
you're gonna win.
I would never. Oh yeah, you can take both things.
Oh, God.
You
I
good?
almost dropped your phone.
Don't do that.
Well,
Well, at least I made it into a clam. Maybe? I made it in.
loser.
I made it into one. You didn't even do that. Here goes GJ.
Yeah.
Oh.
I did
Woo! Mackenzie's turn.
it. She did it.
Oh, nice. Okay, now there's pressure on me. Oh, well.
Noah's turn. Lots of pressure. He did it. Dang it.
I did it. Oh, hello. I got a hole in one. GJ didn't even get a hole in 2. Ah! I want to do good. Okay. This one's really cute. Oh, well,
Come on, Mackenzie.
let's see. No.
4. 5.
Mackenzie,
Come on.
you got this.
6.
Woo! I once again got a hole in one without even knowing. This one has a loop-de-loop. Well, Watch Makensy go up the loop-de-loop on her first try. Oh, she did it. Okay. Now we're gonna watch TJ go up the loop-de-loop. Oh. Interesting.
Here's Noah's attempt. 3 shot.
I've gotten 3 hole-in-ones. How many do you have, GJ? GJ stopped recording, but he has 0 hole-in-ones, and I have 3. Nice. GJ's gonna get it into the tree. Oh, maybe not. There he is.
Noah's taking forever.
Get hit by the train.
I took the midnight train for a reason.
Here goes Makensy. Oh my. Well, she made it in. Let's see where that spits her out. Ooh, 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 ooh. Oh, so close. GJ's gonna get it in the computer.
1.
1. It's an error now.
Did you get that on video?
I did. 2. It's running away. 3. Nice. Oh, I got 45. I'm not supposed to be looking, but I already saw it. So now we'll see what GJ says. Well, I'm revealing your reveal.
Well, how do we know who's he's doing?
Because I saw him do me.
What?
Slay. Oh, I won.
I haven't done Makensy yet.
Okay, well, I know I won.
He still hasn't done mine yet, so I won, not him. He just has a big head.
Well, I beat GJ, and we know we beat Makensy, so. I had 3 hole-in-ones.
I had none, but I'm still better than Noah.
You were over par on like half of them. Drum roll.
In 3rd place is Makensy with 58, which was over par. For the
Well-
What was par?
56.
See, that's not terrible.
Everyone I've ever done this with was under par.
In 2nd place, is Noah with 45.
No.
And in 1st place is me with 18.
No.
I got 1 on each hole.
He's a liar. He got 46.
In 2nd place is me with 46, and 1st place is Noah with 45.
I win.
I won.
Cheated.
I did not cheat. I just did better than you.
No.
They're melting. Oh. We are back at Blizzard, so you are going in here now. I'm sorry. And now you're in there. Hopefully it doesn't sound too bad. We're on the ski lift. Is GJ behind us? GJ's behind us. Oh, he's not saying hi. Oh, yes, he is. Oh.
We're moving.
Yeah, we are. We're on the ski lift. Let me show you. Ooh. We're up in the sky.
Slay.
You know what's going to happen?
We're gonna get wet.
GJ's going to go swimming. You're going to get to see GJ go swimming.
GJ
go swimming. He doesn't even know.
Oh my god, I have to say that before we get on there.
We'll do it. We'll do it. Very pretty. Oh, there goes the person. Summit Plummet. Maybe we'll be on that. Who knows? Mount Gushmore. Hee hee. You can see lots of Disney World. You can see the backside of Everest. So true. There's Pandora over there and the Tree of Life. Ooh. Here we go. Teamboat Springs. GJ's going swimming. It's a little cold. Oh. Checkpoint. Uh-oh.
Noah, go backward.
Nope. It's your turn.
More fun than I remember.
It's kind of long.
We're kind of short. Uh-oh.
We're in the lazy river now. We're going under the cave. Very pretty in here. Oh, orange things. on the runoff rapid. Oh, wow. Oh, that, you can't see at all what's happening. Oh, my. Okay. Oh. It is so dark. This is kind of cool. They don't have this at Typhoon. Oh, wow. Runoff Rapids was really cool. I did the enclosed one this time, and they're like the little lights or openings on the wall that made it really fancy. We're back in the lazy river on our way back to our stuff now.
I did the open one.
You did the open one.
Same as last time. Very fun.
Well, how'd you feel, Mackenzie?
It was like
Very sleigh. I agree.
Santa sleigh.
It's hard to keep. It's like a foot deep in here. Okay.
What was that?
It was a hee. Hello. I'm being lazy. Oh. I was grabbed. Hello. What? I don't know what's happening. We got the snow cap, or nope, we got the, what's it called? We got the white cap pizza. It has like chicken and stuff on it. I don't know. We waited 45 minutes in the mobile order. It was a little rough. And we got some fries as well. It's been a little chaotic, but looks real good. Pizza was good, but it wasn't wait 45 minutes good. And now we're going to do slides. Hey, double dippers. Hey, double dippers.
Hey, double dipper.
Hey, double dippers.
Hey, double dippers, please remember to take this dip. You must be at least 48 inches tall.
So true. Why are they playing it every 10 seconds? Why? Okay. We thought we escaped the double dippers, but it's back up at the top of the slide.
I think that's my favorite ride.
This one?
Yeah.
Hey, double dippers.
Steamboat was really fun today.
Steamboat was fun today.
Well, no, actually, my favorite
Like,
ride.
I feel like Misadventure is a better version of it, so it's hard for me to like
Yeah.
Steamboat that much.
My favorite ride actually is the ski lift.
The what?
The ski lift.
The ski lift. You know what? I'm not mad at that. It is
Hey,
attached.
double dipper, in order to take this ride, you must be 48 inches tall. For a safe ride, you must remain seated. Okay, I'm going at
This
5.
phone is really difficult. I don't know if you can tell. It's attached to my neck and she's trying to, okay. GJ's gonna disappear into the abyss. Hey, double dipper. Here's our times. Oh, it's not really working. I had 87. Mackenzie had, I don't know what that says.
Noah and Mackenzie are next. That hurt. I like dropped. Mackenzie won. You lost.
Yeah, I saw. We just had a little photo shoot in the water. I'll insert some of those pictures here. I was going to use this as background audio for the pictures.
Hello, audio.
Hey, double dippers.
Hey, double dipper.
Hey, double dippers.
Hey, double dipper.
Mackenzie's shaking her head. Okay, photo shoot over. The waves have started, and now Mackenzie has to prove that she can actually swim, because we've been told otherwise. Mackenzie swim? Mackenzie swim. I mean, I guess. She can swim-ish. I'm gonna follow. We're really deep. We got the orange and vanilla swirl Dole Whip, and Gigi got a brownie sundae. Fun. Oh, with alcohol.
Yeah.
Oh. Where even is it?
It's at the bottom. It's not that much.
Well, it was cheap, so cheap for alcohol.
Yeah.
It's very, very good. I love the blend of the vanilla and the orange.
It's getting stronger with the Kahlua.
Oh.
Just kidding. Now we're not.
No.
I spilled something on my waterproof thing.
Is it Kahlua proof?
I don't know.
Hey, double dippers, we made it. I knew we would. Thank you for watching, everyone. If you enjoyed, yeah, we didn't know if you were gonna make it because you didn't know how to swim.
I do know how to swim.
Okay, sure you do. Yeah, but thank you for watching. If you enjoyed, please like, comment, and subscribe. Join the No Nation Notification Squad. What should we ask them to comment?
Comment how long you'd be willing to wait for a chicken pizza.
Yes. Also comment how many times you think we heard "Hey Double Dippers." If they played it literally every 10 seconds, we counted with the stopwatch.
The one who guesses the closest gets.
Okay. Well, we don't even know the number, so. Okay.
I do.
But yeah, thank you for watching. Anybody have anything else to say? Oh, check out the merch, the Redbubble in the description below.
I have to say, tonight's the Super Bowl, and I hope that there's a Deadpool trailer, and I hope that Beyonce announces something that's not exclusive to Las Vegas.
Well, let us know. Let us know what happens in the comments below, and like actually put something in the comments below because it really does help.
Wait, is Beyonce playing the halftime?
No, but
No,
she's
Usher
rumored to
is.
have a commercial with Verizon.
I saw the horse, yeah. Okay, well, thank you for watching. Goodbye.
Very funny, everybody. With the toilet paper switched back. Very funny.
Oh my god.
Wow. Wow.
I wrote that for him. She's like, how do I write that into a song? Look at the crowd, Mom.
Oh, wait. This is my Super Bowl.
Oh, the whisper.
She keeps covering her mouth now.